curriculum in kindergarten? Ano nga bang bago? Pag-usapan natin. Hi guys and everyone else. So, Teacher Eugene here and today I'm gonna share ang aking insights sa aming day 1 ng Matatag Curriculum. I just arrived home from the day 1 and it's jam-packed na. But first, let me show you our learning kit. Unboxing muna tayo ng aming learning kit for day 1. So first, of course, the tote bag, the beautiful tote bag itself, reminding us to be matatag. And of course, the ID, and nasa likod ang QR code for the learning materials, the lanyard or the ID lace, nandito rin ang program of activities for the 5 days na training, and also the people involved in preparing nandito sa likod, and may page din for our notes. Pero aside from that, meron din kaming notebook, napakaganda. After this matatag training, pwede ko rin itong gamitin sa mga LAC session and meeting with our school head. And of course, may pen yan na kasama for us to take down notes. And also, ang aming AM snack at PM snack, which I wasn't able to eat because meron akong snack na baon. So, yun yung kinain ko. And this one I brought home for my hubebo. And our lunch for today is like tuna and beef with potato marbles and mushrooms. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. And stir-fried veggies ba yun yung kasama. And fruits and soup. Hindi kaming grazing table para sa mga chicha. Pag medyo inaantok na, pwede kumain candies and some pika-pika para mabuhayin ulit ng dugo. So, ano nga ba ang bago sa Matatag Curriculum? It was reiterated at diniin talaga sa amin that the Matatag Curriculum is not a new curriculum. Rather, it is a revisited and redesigned curriculum which aim to decongest our existing curriculum. So for this school year, ang magmamatatag curriculum lang ay kindergarten, grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7. Next year, kasama na rin ang grade 2, grade 5, and grade 8, and so on and so forth. Hanggang matapos na buong grade levels na, ay fully transitioned into Matatag. Last school year, meron na rin mga schools na nag-pilot test ng Matatag curriculum. So what's in it for kindergarten? With the help of the experts and consultants, they found out na sa kindergarten curriculum ay maraming redundancy, hindi lang sa kinder but in other grade levels as well. From the 257 learning competencies ating current na ginagamit na 2016 kindergarten curriculum guide, it was now narrowed down into 46 learning competencies. But these learning competencies will still be unpacked and ituturo yan sa amin sa mga susunod na days of training. Needless to say, the Matatag curriculum is a simplified version. They assured us that there's no repetition na of different learning competencies. Kung ganon ang case, walang masasayang na oras dahil magiging mas ladderized at mas tuloy-tuloy ang pagtuturo natin sa kindergarten. Kindergarten standards are now broken down into 4 themes. Theme 1, knowing who we are and our families. Theme 2, exploring the community. Theme 3, appreciating our country. Theme 4, caring for the world. And in these 4 themes, developmental domains are targeted such as makabansa na nakapaloob ang socio-emotional, aesthetic and creative development or skills, and physical health and motor skills of the learners. Next, of course, is language literacy and communication, followed by cognitive development, and last but not the least, my favorite, the return of the comeback, good manners and right conduct or GMRC. Having known all these findings and knowing that our department is doing its best to provide a better curriculum for everyone na nakakatulong sa ating learners at sa mga teachers, mas na-excite pa ako to attend and learn more with the different days ng aming training sessions. So see you again next time as I share my other insights for our day 2, 3, 4, and 5 of our Matatag curriculum training. Bye! Till the next!